What up, Dave? Welcome to the Premier Lawns video. Today we're going to be edging some lawns and having a look at some tools and seeing what works best, so stick around. Welcome back. Here's some tools that I would use to edge lawns. First things first is always a good pair of gloves that are going to protect your hands, and a good pair of safety glasses for the strimming and any time we're using the power tools. Next up we'll have the half moon edging iron and the turf and spade. Turf and spade's a really useful tool for edging lawns. Then we'll have our power head from Milwaukee, the strimmer, the edger attachment, and lastly we'll have the garden shears, although we're not going to be using those today. Milwaukee kindly sent me out the safety gear that I'm using in this video today. These glasses and the gloves were supplied by Milwaukee. Now, before we begin, if I could ask you to smash that like button down there and make sure you subscribe for more videos like this. I installed this lawn 25 to 30 years ago, and we put a sleeper border around the whole lawn. And the sleepers have started to get very tired in places you can't even see them. If you guys would like to see a video on replacing these sleepers, make sure you leave me a comment down below. Before edging a lawn, it's best to cut round the outside or to trim the edge to get a nice clean edge to work from. One of the easiest ways to get a straight edge whenever you're edging lawns is to use a builder's line. Now, strictly speaking, I didn't need it for this project, although I thought I would include it in just to show you guys, for anybody that's wondering how to get the best edge. It actually worked against me in some places, as the sleepers aren't in the best of shape. The half moon edging iron and a line is an absolutely fantastic way to get a lovely, crisp, clean edge whenever you're edging lawns. Now, an edging iron is very good, but it also can be very slow. This powered edger iron from Milwaukee does an absolutely fantastic job, and it is so much quicker than using the edging iron. With the powered edging iron, you could do the garden in about 10 minutes. To use the edging iron, it would take you about an hour. This is a specialist greenkeeping tool, and it's called a turfing iron, and it's designed to lift turf. This section here, there is a sleeper here somewhere, although I think a lot of it has actually disintegrated. If you're enjoying this video, make sure that you smash that like button down there and subscribe for more videos like this. I post regular lawn care tips and tricks. This slipper here is causing me some concern because it's sitting up and above the garden, and I'm going to show you why. So just over time the slipper's moved and it's raised up. There's maybe a tree root underneath it and it's pushing it up. So I'm going to have to get some soil and soil it up. Before we wrap this video up, I've got some exciting news to share with you guys and to give you a snippet of what's coming in next week's video, because you're not going to want to miss it. I was going to buy a new lawnmower this year. I was looking at Swordman and Allet, but I saw this in Gumtree and I thought it was really worth the gamble. It's an old John Deere Greensmore, fantastic machine. It has 11 blades, although it seems to have a groomer missing off it. So if any of my viewers know where I can get a groomer for this machine, please get in touch. Now, it is a Greensmore, so we do need to cut the grass a bit shorter. Whenever you add more blades, you do increase the quality of cut, but you also have to cut shorter. So for example, if I was wanting to cut the lawn 15 to 20 mil, then having those extra blades would actually work against me and not give me as good a cut. So we'll be aiming for in and around 10 mil. I'm not sure if any of you guys picked up on this, but the lawn looks very yellow and sickly at the minute. I'll be talking about what's wrong with it and, more importantly, how we're going to fix it. So make sure you check out that video.